Hello, BIM learners. Welcome to BIMmodeler.com. You know that we are making a continuous of tutorial, and I just finished a official meeting and came back from a long travel. So this is our continuous video, which is the 81st video of 100 days challenge that I make a continuous video for our channel for our follower. So with that, since the time is due, I like to go with the simple option in Revit, which is for a beginner. If you know that in dimension, whatever the dimension or the unit value that you have in project unit settings, which will be reflected in the dimension by default. But if you want to show the dimension value as a decimal value, or if you want to alter the unit values, or if you want to show the secondary value of dimension, which in case feet and inches, you can go ahead and to the property of the dimension, and you will be able to have the settings at the bottom. Unit format, you can change it over here, and you will be able to have the project settings by default. You can alter that, or you can have a alternative options with that. Only on this dimension you can show the millimeter symbol, and also you can enable the secondary unit, which is right side or below, and which could be the feet and inches that we have discussed. So we can go ahead with feet, and I can go ahead with decimal places of 2 decimal places, and decimal feet and fractional inches will be good, and I can go with that. So this way we will be able to create the alternative unit also. For that, people can understand. Some of the construction people still using feet and inches, since we are metric, we are fully following metric units, and few people, construction people, are still following feet and inches on that. So in that case, we will be able to show it like this with the 2-dimensional. Once the drawings, everything is finished, we can go with the single unit after that also. So this is just a simple video that explains how to change the decimal places, how to add a ending millimeter or feet and inches option, and how to show the additional value, which is additional unit value in the Revit dimension. I hope you are following us. Do follow us and share it with your learning friends for continuous video tutorials from BIM tools. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.